Hi, Saul from Websand here. In this video, we're going to go through how you can create your first email campaign using Websand. Now, this works on the assumption that you've already created a message and you've already segmented your audience. So if you need help to do both of those, then please refer to the other videos on that subject or get in touch at websand.co.uk. Enjoy! Okay, so we've got our data in. We've got two templates set up. We've got one with the vids and the GIFs and the stickers, and we've got one which has just got the shoes in. And we've got two segments. So we've got one segment what's signed up from the promo, and one segment that's bought Start Rights Boys shoes. So if we wanted to send a campaign out, we would go to the Sends option. Let's click on New Send Campaign, give it a name. I'm going to call Bought Boys Shoes. We've got our send identity created, so select that. I'm going to select the vids, GIFs and stickers template. Notice you select the template based on what you've named the template, not the subject line. And I'm not going to send to everybody. I'm going to send it to a specific segment, and I'm going to send that to people that have bought the Start Right Boys shoes. So once you've selected those, it'll take you through to the send screen. And here you just do your final checks before you would send out a message. Just wait for this to buffer up. And there we go. So this is always useful, so you can just make sure you've got the right message. And this is the one that we created when we were playing around with videos and GIFs and stickers. So yeah, that's the right one there. That's the name, that's my template. And I can decide either to send now or to schedule when I want it to go out. Now, in relation to the campaigns that you want to send out as part of the project, don't worry about that. We don't actually want you to send a campaign. What we want you to do is a screenshot of what campaign you would be sending. So if you try and send something, you won't be allowed to. The system won't let you because we haven't enabled that as part of the project. So that's just an add-on specifically to you guys in doing your shoe shop project. So what we need to do is create a couple of campaigns based on whatever segments you've created and whatever messages that you want to send to those segments to stimulate activity from them. And that's it, really. So over the past few videos, we've gone through what the data looks like, how you can change the data so it fits your own requirements, how you can import the data, both audience and transactional data, how you can create templates, how you can then clone those templates, how you can change the designs inside the templates, how you can add videos, GIFs, and stickers within those templates, how you can configure those templates, how you can create segments based on the data that you've imported into the platform, how you can create segments based on where somebody signed up, in other words, source, and also how you can create segments based on what somebody has bought, and then how you can create a campaign in order to target those people. The system itself can do a heck of a lot more, but in relation to your project, this is what we need you to focus on. So hope that's useful. If you need anything, just send me a message at saul@websand.co.uk. And if you have a problem specifically, please make sure you pick up the URL of your of your account just makes life so much easier for us to help you out in terms of what needs to happen. I'll see you when I see you. Hope you found this video useful. If you'd like help to grow your e-commerce business through email marketing, we'd love to help, so please get in touch or sign up for a 14-day free trial at websand.co.uk.